I do not have a student ID, but I do have an ID number, which would be 1617249. Hello, my name is Kayla Cato, and today I will be talking about the topic of dysfunctional brains. To start, a lot of us know that prefrontal cortex dysfunction must be evaluated, especially in individuals who show signs of the condition and interaction with said features of the environment, including social and psychological influences. Prefrontal cortex dysfunction may result in the following: failure in academics, inability to hold an occupation, problems in relationships, and so forth. Prefrontal cortex dysfunction is not a direct cause of crime, but someone with this condition may be predisposed to criminal behavior. This was explained by neurocriminologist Adrian Raine and his colleagues. Raine replicated the PET scan study on 41 murderers who plead not guilty by reason of insanity, and who were matched by 41 normal controls. Raine concluded the murder pleas were characterized by reduced glucose metabolism in the bilateral prefrontal cortex. In 2011, a presentation was made by Raine to the American Association for the Advancement of Science, where Raine identified an 18% reduction of the volume of the amygdala in psychopaths when compared to non-psychopaths. Along with this size reduction, the prefrontal cortex also had a size reduction. Raine's approach has become known as neurocriminology, which is a perspective that examines the neurological links between an organism, social factors, and criminal behavior. Of course, there are other brain mechanisms that are possibly involved in aggression, such as mirror cells, physical injury, emotional trauma, long-term stress, disease, and allergies to common foods. There's also things like biological embedding, which is defined as the process by which social experiences change the neural circuitry in the brain. Changes in the brain structure due to embedded stress or traumatic childhood experiences may influence development and persist throughout life. The interplay between heredity, biology, and the social and physical environment may be much more complicated than once thought and may provide the key nexus in any consideration of crime causation. Along with this, a major factor of biological embedding is neuroplasticity, which can be defined as the brain's ability to alter its structure and function in response to an experience. This has been my discussion on dysfunctional brains.